Hey friends, sorry that I didn't have a chance to do a video for yesterday, but I did shot a little bit of clip, so I will upload it with this video together, so I hope you guys can check it out. Anyways, so today is day number 6, and day 6 I put fabric organization. So the idea for today is just to go through all your fabric stash and see what you don't need and see how you can store them better. So I'm gonna have a little bin where I'm gonna put things where I plan to destash, and then a bin where if it doesn't fit but I still want to hold on to it, then I will put it in a bin and put it in the garage. So I have two areas where I store my fabric. So I have one here where I store knit fabric only, and then the other room I store all my woven fabrics. So those are the only two type of fabric that I have in my stash, and I will show you guys a little bit of how I store them, and so that will give you guys a little bit of ideas. I know that the way I do it is probably not ideal for everybody, and everybody have different needs in different space, so it's just a little bit idea for you guys to visualize, see how people do things for their own space. And I would like if you guys can share your way, if you guys have a way that you guys store your fabric, like the bolt or even just the applique fabric, because I have about 1 or 2 yard fabric that I have that is not a whole bolt, where I wrap it around comic book boards and stash it into like a small bookcase. So I will show you guys how I do that and how I roll it. So I will do that later today when I have a chance to go through it. I have been doing it for the past month, you guys, but I have a big fabric stash. I know a lot of us love fabrics. I have been trying really hard to keep myself from going to the store or even looking online to buy fabric. I have been resisting it because I'm already at my maximum capacity, you guys. So I really can't buy anymore. So the goal for me this year is to use up a lot of my stash and destash the fabric that I don't love anymore, and try to keep it under control, you guys. I don't want it to control my life, so I need to keep it under control. And I know all space has a maximum capacity, so you guys, our goal for today is to really evaluate our stash and be ideal, you guys, because we do have a maximum capacity when it comes to storage. So that's the goal for today. I am looking at my space, how big is my space, and how much space I have left. If I don't have any more space, then I need to get rid of some stuff, things that I don't love anymore. I mean, I still have a little bit in the garage, so I will store some in the garage, but I really have to be realistic and really declare some of the items that I don't love anymore. So that's my goal for today. And if I don't finish, I will just do a little bit over the course of the whole challenge, and also do a bunch of it during my catch-up day, because tomorrow will be my little applique piece organization. I will be showing that to you guys how I do that. And then next week will be, oh my god, next week I have to tackle the big area, which is the business paperwork. That is a little bit daunting to me because I have not been keeping up too well with organizing them. So we are gonna do that next week. So anyways, I hope you guys have some ideas of how to tackle your fabric stash today. And if you guys have Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube where you guys already done your fabric organization or show clip of how you organize your fabric, I would love you guys to put it in the comment below so other people could check you guys out and check out your ideas, because I think the more idea we share, it will give people more tips and tricks on how they can make their space work for them. Because I always like to look at people's space and see how they store their stuff, and maybe it'll give me some tips and some ideas that I can also apply to my own space. I know that their room is completely different from mine, and my needs are completely different, but maybe they do something that I might like, that I will take it and apply it to my own space. So I think that it'll be a lot beneficial to all of us if you guys can share, if you guys have TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. So anyways, I'll see you guys and update you guys later, friends. So have a wonderful Sunday, and I'll talk to you guys later. If I don't have a chance to update, I will try to update the next day. Bye, friends.